Woohoo! It's March. We're excited. So, new month, new energy, new vibrations, and we want to work with you on creating those vibrations and getting to the things that you so desire this month and for months to come. So, the first way we do that is get excited about this month and get excited about all the cool things we're going to do together. So, in case you're wondering what I mean, we have designed, the Property Princess team, a March calendar. And we've got gratitude, we've got love in there, we've got a little bit of open houses, manifestations, a little bit of everything. So I want you to check it out, look out for it on our website, social media post, or even you may get it in your mailbox. So stay tuned for that, as well as our monthly newsletter has gone out. So if you haven't had a chance to read it, stay in tune with us, check it out. It's got some good reads. And now, more importantly, I want to talk about something that seems to be coming up quite frequently. Everywhere I turn, I get the question of what's happening in the real estate market. Well, what I can tell you is we have a stable marketplace. It's first off. Secondly, I can say in January, we did witness roughly about 4,000 and approximately 9 sales. And in that month, that was off by about 7% below what we've seen since 2000, which is not a bad thing because that's the rebound effects. Just like when you're looking at stock markets or graphs of the economic conditions, this is what you see is these trend factors that take place. So we're still in a very stable market. Now, I want you to listen very carefully because this is the most important piece that I'm going to share with you. If you are thinking about being an investor, if you are thinking about buying into the marketplace, or getting into the marketplace in any way, shape, or form, I want you to really think about the long-term effects. I want you to think about 5 years from now, 3 years from now, 10 years from now, 15 years from now. What is it that you want to do with this particular purchase going forward in those years to come? Because we want to get clear on what it is that we want. We want to vibrate on those things that we so desire and want, and we want to create them. And when we look back years from now, you will remember this video and you will remember and be grateful for that investment or that purchase or that getting into the marketplace segue as a thank you because it brought you more wealth. So many of you are contemplating, well, let's just wait to see what happens in the US and all those with other things, or guess what? Those are other factors. What we need to pay attention is take out all the noise that goes on around us and look at directly what is in front of us. And we know that the market exists and the market is stable. So this is the opportunity to get in. This is the opportunity to create even more abundance and wealth for yourself by having the opportunity to get in and purchase something now that you will do something with in years to come. So take it as my words of wisdom and encouragement to you today. In terms of the condo market and the detached home market, and the detached market overall, I should say we've seen a little bit of a shift. So more detached home sales we're seeing going westward or east of Toronto is generally what we're saying. In what you're seeing in the central core is a lot more sales of row housing, towns, semis. And of course in the condo market, yes, there has been a little bit of a slowdown. However, the market is still very strong and moving. I think everything is more, I would say, price driven, if anything. So that gives you a little bit of synopsis as to what's happening in the real estate market in terms of condos, in terms of homes, and I gave you my own words of wisdom that I'm going to witness and say years from now, we will be looking at this video and saying, aha, we did say this was going to happen. So those are things to keep in mind. So stay tuned for those and let's get into a high vibing March vibration. Can't wait to share some of those high vibe moments with you.